There's no better way to start the day than with a delicious breakfast in bed.
All right, here to show us easy to make and easy to carry, by the way, recipes is Mary Berg, who's still in her PJs. Smart move, by the way.
Mary Berg.
Guys, we should do this every day.
Wouldn't it be great?
Oh my gosh, it'd be the best thing in the world.
From home to work, one easy shot.
Easy, and I feel like this is like a suitable PJ.
It looks like a suit.
By the way, we should. This is what I sleep in. I sleep in
That
this
is
shirt.
legit.
This is my sleep-in shirt.
That's a good Superman.
By the way, this is the original Superman poster from the original movie.
Oh, I heard a yeah. Woo.
Okay, so let's start this. You can't go wrong with granola.
No, you cannot. And the thing is with granola, I feel like people buy it all the time, but it's literally the easiest thing in the world to make.
Yeah.
Like the easiest thing.
Really?
You cannot mess it up. And I think I'm gonna bet on that. You cannot mess it up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So basically all you do for granola, it's basically one of those dump and stir recipes that I like so much. So we've got some oats, and Ben, if you would mix in some flaxseed.
This is flaxseed?
In there?
Yeah.
Okay. How
Throw
much?
it on
All
in.
of it?
All of it. Dump her in.
Okay.
So that just umps up the little healthness. Some almonds.
Almonds.
Some brown sugar, just to
with the
sweeten
brown
it.
sugar.
Yeah, all that brown sugar, because it makes a lot of granola.
That's true.
Makes about 10 cups of granola once it bakes up. Some cashews.
Yeah.
And coconut. Now we're gonna leave the dried fruit out because you don't want that to burn in the oven, because granola cooks for actually a really long time, about an hour.
Oh, does it?
So that'll burn.
Want me
So
to
mix
mix it?
that up. And then Lindsay, I'm gonna get you to mix. This is honey.
Okay.
So throw that honey in there. So it's a good amount of honey, but again, you're not eating the whole batch. Like you might, because it's really good. But
The symbolism of this is not lost on me. You're having me mix the dry stuff and her the sweet.
Exactly. It's your sense of humor, Ben. And then we mix in a little bit of oil and some hot tap water.
What oil? What kind of oil?
I just use vegetable oil or canola oil. It's super easy, but basically...
This is never ending, so I may have to end.
No,
It's
you're
granola
good.
oil.
Okay.
And again, if you want to like lessen the honey, you're good to go. And basically all you do is mix that up. And then we mix those in together. Now, I don't know if our bowl's big enough right now.
Ooh, let's try that.
Okay, we're gonna do it. We're gonna test that thing right now.
Okay, ready?
Okay,
Here,
go
put it-
on in.
Okay, ready? You got a little spot for me?
Yeah, I got this spot. There you go.
Oh, yeah, we're fine.
Oh,
See,
yeah.
perfect.
Oh, sort of.
We're gonna nail it. Guys, this is great.
Okay, there we go.
Right.
Perfect.
So smooth.
No, so smooth. Smooth like honey.
There you go.
But basically, all you do is mix that up, pop it onto a baking sheet.
Yes.
Bake it in a really low oven, like 275, 300 oven.
For that hour.
About an hour. Mix it up a little bit,
Yes.
sprinkle on, and then you get this
Shall we try?
delicious-
Yes.
It's
Okay.
so good.
And you just go get some regular Greek yogurt?
Regular Greek yogurt, some fruit in there, just get it nice and healthy and delicious. It's pretty good granola, if I do say so myself.
There you
I'm
go.
real good for
Right? So then, after we have granola, because like breakfast in bed is one of those breakfasts where you want to have more than one thing for breakfast. So we're also going to do a croissant French toast bake.
Whoa.
This, everybody needs to pay attention to this.
So easy and so good. I know Ben's made a kind of one before, but basically it's just like making French toast, but instead of standing at the stove flipping your French toast all the time,
It's so annoying.
you get to bake it all in one thing and then you're good to go.
Really?
So this is just a classic French toast custard, so like milk, eggs, things like that, some cinnamon, and a little bit of orange zest. Now I'm
There's
gonna.
so much honey stuck in my teeth right
Oh,
now.
no.
Doing the same thing. I know.
getting-
So sorry about the sound.
No, that's all good. I still have like a manly
I hear you.
Christmas
You
voice.
sound amazing.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so you dip that in.
All you do is dunk, pop it in, and just layer it nicely in. And then you end up with this beautiful thing. Bake it in the oven. You can sprinkle some powdered sugar on
As
top.
one
Oh,
must.
I love it.
Which is delicious. And then you get this. And all you need to do is scoop it out, plop it on a plate with some bacon and fruit salad.
Okay, you guys continue.
I gotta try this.
I'm gonna go to bed.
Oh, she's going to bed.
Yeah, you
I'm
go to
gonna
bed.
make a drink for
gonna
us
move this.
now.
I know
I'm
this
gonna
is so
help.
beautiful.
I want to try this French toast.
Okay, you
Look
try
at how
this.
nice that is. Oh, we're going to...
Where should I put it? Okay.
Oh,
Great.
yeah.
Wait, I'm told I'm not allowed to put it on the floor. Right.
And then tasty, right?
Okay, so I'm just
So
gonna roll
good.
in.
It's so good.
So good.
How long would this go in the oven for?
Oh, only about 30 minutes. So it's super quick, super easy.
Oh,
We got hospital
wow.
corners.
We're getting in there.
Oh, that's so
That's a good bake. Now I think we need a cocktail though,
Yes,
right?
Yeah, of course.
So basically, Ben, if you would help me, here's
This is how I get in
We're gonna
after a
muddle
cocktail.
We're gonna muddle some-
strawberries and
Yeah.
basil.
Okay.
I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar
Yeah, a little bit.
to help muddle it up. A little bit of orange juice. And I'm in there.
Nice.
Just a little bit, because we gotta get healthy.
Yeah.
So you just muddle it up as much as you want, and then we top her all off with a little bit of Bubs. For a delicious
course.
mimosa, but a snazzy mimosa, Ben.
Here, I'm gonna bring this one
Have
over.
a drink, please.
I'm gonna bring.
Ooh.
Yeah, no, that's okay. Here,
we're good.
This comes over to the princess.
Okay.
Here,
The princess.
it's
Does the lowly
it's
surf
your
get this
day.
one?
Thank you.
It's your day.
No, it's your
Here,
morning.
I'll just drink.
Here,
I'll just
wait,
drink
we'll
these
do
six.
this. Da-da-da.
Mary Berg, as always, morning, noon, or night. We love having you here.
Well, thank you.
Thanks for coming to my bedroom.
Good morning.
Cheers.
Good morning, everybody.
All right, as always, head over to yourmorning.ca for all these recipes. Don't go anywhere. We will be right back.
Cheers.